designers, welcome to the another video on Solidworks. Today we'll discuss on tag. First I'll change color of the part for a better appearance. Tag having a very important role in Solidworks design. So it will help to identify specific feature among a lot of features. By clicking the right corner of a window, you can activate the tag. All you need to do is select the feature and drop your comment. So your comment is called as tag. So here I have 4 to 5 features for sample. So here I'll select my cut extrude and I'll comment as hexagonal cut. So these features will be get saved as a hexagonal cut. So whenever I try to find this feature, I need to search by my tag name. Each feature only will get saved by one tag. You can't add 2 tags for one feature. After adding tag to the features, we'll see how to search with. You can add n number of tags in your design, so there is no any restriction over it. But only restriction is you can add only one tag for one feature. Now I'm closing my tag bar. Now we'll see how to search your comment and find the feature. So for that, just click on filter option just above your part name. So this is called a filter bar. Here you will search your tag. So I have searched as a hexagonal cut. Here I written HEX. Here I found my feature. And I will try another tag by searching SQ. So this is my square cut. So here you can see my square cut feature highlighted. Same way you can search any of your tags. So this will help to find your feature easily and accurately. In this feature bar, you can also search your feature name, like a whole boss extrude. You can search and you can find. But if you add a tag, you will identify in a better way. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video. Share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications. See you next video. Thank you.